Hello guys, this is Fariba from watchknitting.com. This tutorial will be on making easy slippers. This will fit adult size, and materials that you need to use. I'm gonna use this bernat pop yarn, which is medium number 4, and 3.5 millimeter needles or US sizing number 4. I'm gonna use double point needles for this tutorial because they are shorter and I can record video easier. A pair of scissors and one large eye blunt needle. Here I have cast on 30 stitches with 2 needles. I'm gonna remove one of the needles and make 3 rows of rib stitch, doing one purl one, and after that I will be back with the rest of the pattern. Here I am done with 3 rows of rib stitch, and in row 4 I'm going to show it in the pattern here. So we worked 3 rows of rib stitches for the edge, and we're gonna start doing 10 after this will be knit stitch. We're gonna do 10 knit stitches in the beginning of each row, and then we're gonna do 1 yarn over to increase 1 stitch, and then knit 7 stitches, do 1 yarn over, knit 2 stitches in the middle, and then do 1 yarn over again, knit 7 stitches, 1 yarn over, and 10 stitches will be left for the end. So this will be a symmetric pattern. So in row 4 I will do 10 stitch from the beginning of the row, yarn over, knit 7 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Again I'm gonna do 1 yarn over, now knit 2 stitches, this is the middle part, do another yarn over, knit 7 stitches again, and again 1 yarn over, knit 10 stitches. If you want to do a little smaller slipper, you can do, of course, you can do custom fewer number of stitches and then figure out what numbers you have to do your increases. So basically what we're doing, the 2 knit stitch will be in the middle always, and there will be 2 yarn over just beside 2 stitches, and the other yarn over will be kind of between, not exactly between, but between the edge and the middle one. So in return rows I will do purl stitches, and in row 6 again I will do knit 10 stitches from the beginning, do 1 yarn over, then this time I'm gonna knit 9 stitches because I already add 2 stitches, and yarn over, knit 2 yarn over, again knit 9 stitches, yarn over, and rest 10 stitches. So I will keep doing this till I get about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 rows of in total 20 rows of the same method we use till we get here. After this part I'm not gonna do another yarn over in the sides. We will stop doing the yarn over for the sides. but the middle one will continue until you get increases in the middle, and after that I will show how we're gonna do the end part. Okay, here I'm in the return row of my last row for doing increasing for middle. I'm gonna show you what I get after I've done all my increasings. If I review, I did 3 rows of rib stitch, and then I had 10 rows of increasing for the sides, and I did those increases after 10 stitches for sides, and then I had 14 rows of increasing stitches for middle. And right now I'm in the middle of my return row, in row 31. I'm gonna purl my stitches and finish this row, and after that I will work through the end part doing my blocking. Okay, I finished my row 31, and this is my row 32, and I've been left with 84 stitches in my needle. In this row I'm gonna start doing my blocking for the heel, and what I'll do, I'm gonna decrease 10 stitches from the beginning of the row 32, and in the return I'm gonna again do another blocking for 10 stitches in the beginning of row 33. End of row 32, and this is return row, row 33, and I will do decreases with doing purl stitches and putting my previous stitch over that, and I'm gonna continue this for 10 stitch. So we're gonna do the same repeat for row 34 and 35, and in row 36 I will be left with 44 stitches. Okay, here I worked 4 rows with decreasing 10 stitches at the beginning of each row, and that was row 32, working through 32 till row 35, and here I'm at the beginning of row 36, and I have 44 stitches in my needle. This time I'm gonna use the same method, but this time I will be decreasing 5 stitches at the beginning of each row, and I will repeat this for 4 rows, working through row 36 till row 39. Okay, here I did 4 rows of decreasing for 5 stitches at the beginning of each row, and that will give me 24 stitches at the end of the row 40, at the end of row 39, and right now I'm in row 40, and I'm gonna do another decreasing 5 stitches at row 40 and 5 stitches at row 41, and when I've been left with 14 stitches I will block all the stitches, and I've been left with 14 stitches, and I will block all the stitches at the same time. Okay, as you see, we get this shape for our project. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the yarn longer enough to stitch the line here. So after cutting, I'm gonna start stitching from this part, which is my yarn left, till the end, and then work back through the same line till the end and up to here. I hope you guys enjoy my tutorials. Let me know if you had any questions regarding any tutorial. I will be glad to help you guys. Have a good day and enjoy your knitting.